channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. To prime my eyelids, I am going to go in with this hydrating under eye concealer by Be Pure. To set my eyelids, I am going to go in with this Be Pure face powder. If you guys are sleeping on the Dollar Tree products, you shouldn't, because the Dollar Tree is popping. Okay, for eyeshadow, I am going to go in with this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Almost Nude. I have tried other palettes from this collection, and you guys, I had to declutter them. This is the only one that I have found. Like I said, it's in the shade Almost Nude. That is really pigmented and is worth it to me. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this OMG liner and lash glue here. It is an eyeliner and a lash glue. It is 2 in 1. Okay, for mascara, I do have a brand new mascara, and it's by OMG, and it's the Dramatic Black Mascara. This mascara is so fat. Look how big it is. This thing is huge. For primer, I'm going to go in with this Be Pure Hydrating Priming Serum. For foundation, you guys already know that this Sassy and Chic Moisturizing Foundation is my absolute favorite. I would actually choose that foundation over any high-end foundation that I've ever used. For concealer, I am going to go back in with that Be Pure Hydrating Concealer that I used to prep my eyes with. You guys don't have to spend a lot of money to get a beautiful makeup look or to find products that actually work for you. Nowadays, I am all about affordability. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with this Rimmel London Jelly Bronzer. I absolutely adore this stuff. This is some good stuff. It really is. I have been using it actually, and I love it. So I just actually take what's on the lid here and use it to begin with, and if I need more, then I will either dip back into the lid or go straight into the product. This is some good stuff. If I can find any blushes of this Rimmel London, I am going to pick it up. I have not been able to find anything else other than this though, by this brand. For blush, I am going to go in with this all-in-one LA Colors lip blush and eyeshadow stick. Highlighter, I do have a liquid highlighter, but it's not from the Dollar Tree, so I cannot use it in this video. But I do have a powdered highlighter, and it is by OMG, which I'm not complaining because I love OMG's products. For eyebrows, I am using this LA Colors brow pencil. I'm not the best at doing brows, you guys know that. So these are perfect for me. They work for me. I like them. They're there. This is it. Okay, for lips, I do have some new OMG lip products that I am really excited to try. The first thing that I have here is Shea Butter lipstick. It's in China Silk. I have a OMG lip pencil. This is in the shade Napa Wine. And I also have a fat lip chubby stick in Kimono Cherry. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. If you like these products and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.